It turns over! That's half the battle. Or something is what they say, right?
The fuel pump not turning on is what's concerning me.
Ow, ow.
Oh, dear God, shut it off.
Okay.
Turn it off.
Is there fuel?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
It's off?
Yes,
Off?
it's off. Keys in my hand.
You're about to bring your car down.
Sweet. Oh, boy.
Oh boy.
Injector seal?
Yeah. Did you replace them?
Yes, I did. Every single one of them. Replaced them myself.
There you go.
That's the problem.
Yeah, that is the quickest way to burn your car down. Taking all the paint off nicely.
Oh, God damn it. Oh.
That is some
Yeah,
shitty
it
paint.
really is. Yeah. No, yeah, it's pretty shitty paint. Okay, well, boy.
So there's that. Good news is you got fuel pressure. Oh God, it's happening again. Oh.
My eye.
You got a light?
No. I always got one on her phone. Actually, boom. I'm retarded. Yeah, go ahead. Investigate.
Are you sure this thing's seated down all the way properly?
Nope. I mean, I thought so, but I was obviously wrong.
Huh. Yeah, because that guy does not like that.
No, God, turn it off.
Okay, so that's,
Is that not even plugged in?
nope, not really.
Oh, boy. Oh, there's no clip. Hey,
No, there's not.
this is a high-quality build, folks.
Allow me to play for you the music of my people. That never gets old.
Turn it on one more time.
What?
Yeah.
I thought you told him not.
There's a shirt right
near your
knees if it starts
Dude, this is some shitty ass motherfucking paint, man.
Is it the
I don't know.
No, your valve cover.
Oh, that sucks. It is Walmart special, so doesn't surprise me. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, shit. Clutch.
Oh, Jesus
Got it.
fucking Christ. Yeah, it's a seal.
Okay. Good news is injector seals are cheap.
Yep.
Dear God. Oh, look at the paint is so pretty.
Kinda.
The way it's pooling in there. Oh, yeah, I can't get a photo. Oh, there we go. Sort of.
Come here.
It's like an abstract, shitty piece of art, but oh, look at that. Yeah, it's so pretty. And then my car started on fire and burned down. Okay, everybody go home.
So yeah. I'll try it. Okay. What'd you stop for?
I don't know, I'm dumb.
Trying.
What are you messing with?
Let it charge for a little bit.
What are you messing with?
Huh? I was cracking the throttle open to give it some fresh air.
Oh,
You might have
okay.
flooded it.
Okay. Yeah, no, I bet we have.
Especially since we pulled the plug out. Or pulled the plug wire. That cylinder was dead, but we're still getting fuel, you know.
Yeah. It sort of runs. It also sort of smokes. I don't know if you can really see it, but I think that's just a sign that it loves me. And also all of the high temp heat baking off, I guess. So I did check all of my spark plugs to make sure I'm actually getting spark to all of them. Just to make sure that's not an issue. And I am getting spark to everything, so I am not entirely sure what's going on here. But then again, I've never started an engine after a fresh rebuild. Really struggling with this one. There we go. Yay. So I don't know. Semi good news, at least it sort of runs. Better than nothing, I guess. I have a feeling maybe there's a vacuum issue or possibly something with the CPU. I don't know. It still hasn't started to leak oil, so I'm gonna call it a success for now and try to figure out what that disconcerting noise is from this side. It's only timing components. I mean, really, how bad could it be, you know?